Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Today I bring for you float control steam trap. So how it is work? You should use this steam trap in system that require the rapid and continuous removal of large amount of water, common location including heat exchange, radiator, heating coils, and adjust temperature automatically. Also, this is usable processing equipment and low point of the steam piping network. So this is very good. Okay. So if you want to understand how it is work, watch this video. So you see inside the flow, and flow go up, and condensate drop, steam not go. You see here. Okay, there is too much water. We can install that steam trap. So this is you see here is also picture, and how it is not working you can understand. Okay, leakage and also block wall, steam leakage, this is common issue. So this is information. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe, like, comments.